Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 75,365, loss of 2,050 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 22,904, loss of 650 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 51,502, loss of 62 points. Market breadth was negative. BSE 500 closed at 32,740 with loss of 839 points. Nifty 500 closed at 20,805 with loss of 534 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Tourism Index, which closed at 8,669 with gain of 1.44%. And top loser was Nifty IT Index, which closed at 33,511 with loss of 9.15%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. On April 4, 2025, the Nifty, a major stock market index, saw a sharp drop, continuing its losing streak. The drop was triggered by a higher expected US tariff and worries about how the other countries might respond, which hurt the market confidence. If Nifty stayed below 22,920, it could fall further to 22,800 soon, and then possibly to 22,700, another important level to watch. On the other hand, if it bounces back, the range of 23,000 to 23,200 will be key to monitor. The index has already dropped 1,000 points from its recent peak. This week, it fell by 2.61%, its worst performance since late February. On a weekly chart, it formed a bearish pattern with a long upper shadow following a doji pattern last week, indicating selling pressure at higher levels. The short-term outlook for the Nifty is weak, and downwards trend is picking up speed. If it falls below 22,800, it might slide further to around 23,350 soon. However, it tries to recover, it could face resistance near 23,150 level. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 8.79% and price decreased to 2.61%, which suggested short build-up. Nifty 9th April 2025 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side was seen at 23,200 strike with the open interest of 1,40,410 lots. Highest open interest on P side was seen at 22,000 strike with the open interest of 1,10,960 lots. Max open interest change happened on C side at 23,200 strike with the addition of 1,11,064 lots. Max open interest change happened on P side at 22,500 strike with the addition of 39,961 lots. The option data in chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross above 23,300 levels, then it can move towards 23,500 to 23,800 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 23,800 levels, then index can go down towards 22,750 to 22,550 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty recently. It dropped 95 points to 51,503, showing a pattern on the daily chart that suggests price swings with both higher and lower momentums. Over the week, it fell by 0.12%, and the weekly chart showed a grim candle with a long upper and lower tails indicating some uncertainty. The Bank Nifty is staying steady around the 51,400 to 51,350 support range. If it falls below this, it might slide further to 50,640 levels. On the other hand, if it breaks above the resistance at 51,750 levels, it could climb to 52,050 as long as the key support level holds. The outlook remains positive. Any dip could be a good chance to buy. Now let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI decreased with 22.31% and price decreased to 0.12%, which suggested long unwinding. Bank Nifty 24th April 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side was seen at 53,000 strike with the open interest of 49,270 lots. Highest open interest on P side was seen at 50,000 strike with the open interest of 50,881 lots. Max open interest change happened on C side at 53,500 strike with the addition of 5,992 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 53,000 strike with the subtraction of 9,211 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross above 52,000 levels, then it can move towards 52,600 to 53,000 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 50,600 levels, then it can go down towards 50,000 to 49,500 levels.